All right, I'll have you guys watch this video, but we're going to play a percentage game here. So I'd ask you to kind of set a timer for 30 minutes and see what you can catch. So you're going to end up calculating the percent of a number when given, they change that, when given the whole and percent. To do this, turn the percent into a decimal and multiply. So you'll have a link to this video. So what am I talking about is you're going to play this game. Okay, so you are going to go fishing. Try to calculate the given percent of each boundary. We'll start. You just go and you try to catch a fish. Okay, so what is 28% of 7? So I gave you a hint. Take the percent. We're doing what is 28% of 7. You got to take the 28%, turn it into a decimal. So we're taking the decimal where it is and moving it 2 spaces. And the word of is multiply by 7. So we are going to stack these 0.28 times 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 2 is 14, plus that 5 is 19. So I can carry the 1. 7 times 0 is 0, plus that 1. And then I've got 2 decimal places. So I bring those 2 decimal places down into my answer. It's 1.96. So we can go back to our game, 1.96. We caught that fish. So you got multiple fish you can catch and just keep going. Go for your next step. Oh, that's a big one. So 83% of 125. So again, get a sheet of paper out. 83% of 125. You're going to turn this into a decimal, 0.83. So the decimals here, I'm going to move it 2 spaces. And then that of is multiplied by 125. So we'll stack these up and we can multiply it out. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus that 1, we're at 7. 3 times 1 is 3. Put a 0 in to go to our next placeholder. 8 times 5 is 40. So we're going to carry a 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus that 4, we're at 20. So we're carrying a 2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. And that's what we'll get. We'll add those up, get 5, 7, 3, 0, 1. So I put zeros in there just to hold them out. And then we got 1, 2 place values. So I'm going to go 1, 2. It's 103.75. Let's look at our options. 103.75. 2 for 2. So see how well you can do and see how many fish you can get.